Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Disle. Today I am discuss about digestive system. A digestive system is a network of organ and tissue that work together to perform a digestion. A digestion is a complex process that involves the breakdown and absorption of nutrients from the ingested food. This system consists of a gastrointestinal tract and accessory organ. Digestive system has four functions. That is ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. In ingestion, food enters the mouth, and in digestion, it involves the mechanical and chemical breakdown. In absorption, nutrients are absorbed into the blood, and in elimination, waste is eliminated through feces. Digestive system includes organs from mouth to anus. Such as mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. It also consists of accessory organs that support GI tract in digestion, such as salivary gland, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. First organ is digestive tract. First organ is oral cavity. It is also known as buccal cavity. It is the beginning of GI tract. It consists of teeth, tongue, and salivary gland. Teeth helps in breakdown of food into smaller pieces. Tongue helps in mixes of food with saliva and helps in swallowing of food. Salivary gland helps in produce saliva which contain enzymes such as amylase and lipase. The main function of mouth is ingestion of food, mechanical breakdown of food, formation of bolus, and mixing of swallowing of food. Second organ is a pharynx. It is a muscular, funnel-shaped tube that passes the bolus from mouth to esophagus. It is a common pathway for both respiratory and digestive system. It consists of nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. At the time of eating, it opens the esophagus and closes the trachea to avoid the entry of food in trachea. Third organ is esophagus. It is also known as the food pipe. It is a long muscular tube, approximately 25 centimeter long, which main work is to passes the food from pharynx to the stomach. It contains sphincter at upper and lower end of the esophagus to prevent the backflow of food. Next organ is the stomach. It is a hollow bag-like structure. It lies between the esophagus and a small intestine, approximately 15 to 20 centimeter long and 10 to 50 centimeter wide. It divided into four regions: cardia, fundus, body, and pylorus. First is a cardia. It connects esophagus to the stomach. It contains sphincter which prevent backflow of food or acid. Second is a fundus. It is a dome-shaped upper part of the stomach which contain various cells such as parietal cell and chief cell. Parietal cell produce HCl and chief cell produce pepsin, renin, and lipase. Third part of the stomach is body. It is the central region of stomach which act as a main site of action for digestion of food. The last part of the stomach is pylorus. It is the lower part of stomach which connects to the stomach to the small intestine through a duodenum. It transports chyme to the duodenum. It also contains G cell which secrete gastrin hormone. Function of the stomach is a mechanical breakdown of food and used for temporary storage of food. Chemical digestion of food by digestive enzyme such as pepsinogen, gastric amylase, and gastric lipase. Formation of chyme. It performs secretion of gastric juice, including mucus, HCl, pepsinogen, gastric amylase, and lipase. It performs peristalsis movement of food, denaturation of protein, and breakdown of carbohydrate. Next part is a small intestine. It is a long, thin tube which performs the final digestion of chyme. It is about 6 to 7 meter long. It is responsible for the absorption of nutrient. It contains mainly three parts, that is duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The all of the small intestine contain a finger-like projection called villi, which increase the surface area for absorption. Next is large intestine. The large intestine, also known as a colon, is a wider tube than that absorb the water and electrolytes. It is about 1.5 meter in length and 6 to 7 centimeter diameter. It contains four parts: ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. It also include cecum and appendix. After the absorption, it eliminates the waste through anus. Then rectum. It is the end part of the large intestine and about 12 centimeter in length. It stores the temporary and is it get a filled the walls of the rectum expand, which activate a stretch receptor, which stimulate the nerves system, which help in emptying bowel. Next is anus. Last part of the digestive system is the anus. It is the external opening of the rectum. It helps to the removal of feces from body. Contain sphincters. Internally sphincters made up of smooth muscle. It acts as involuntary, but external sphincter is voluntary in nature. Next point is accessory organ. There are four organs which are outside of the GI tract but helps in the digestion. That is salivary gland, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Salivary gland. First is the salivary gland. It is located in the mouth and throat and produce saliva, and that helps in digestion or health. There are three types of salivary gland, that is parotid gland, submandibular gland, and sublingual gland. Next part is a liver. The liver is a vital organ located in the upper right side of the abdominal cavity. It is the largest internal organ in the human body. Liver size is approximately 1.4 kg weight and 18 centimeter long. It is divided into two major lobes, that is left and right lobe, and two minor lobes, that is quadrate and caudate. It is reddish brown in color and it consists of hepatocytes, which is responsible for the functioning of liver. There are functions of liver is detoxification, metabolism, production of bile. It also store glucose to regulate the blood sugar level. Next point is a gallbladder. It is a pear-shaped hollow structure located under the liver that play a role in digestion. The main function of gallbladder is to store the bile, which is produced by liver, and then it concentrated the bile by removing excess water and electrolytes and release into the small intestine for digestion and absorption. Next is a pancreas. It is a vital organ located behind the stomach that play an important role in digestion and glucose regulation. It is located behind the stomach, approximately 50 centimeter long and 2.5 centimeter wide. It consists of head, body, and tail. It acts as a both exocrine as well as endocrine in nature. Exocrine secretion. It secretes pancreatic juice that help in digestion through pancreatic duct in small intestine. Digestive enzyme amylase, lipase, trypsin to break carbohydrates into proteins. Thank you.